Welcome to Gift Card Strategies for Success, Season 1. I'm your host, Jon Taffer. In this series, we'll be talking about how to use gift cards to grow your business. We'll cover everything from how to create a successful gift card program to how to use gift cards to drive traffic to your business. And I'm going to bring in some experts to weigh in with their insights. Gift cards are a great way to grow your business. They can help you attract new customers, increase sales, and build customer loyalty. But before you start a gift card program, you need to understand the basics. In this episode, we'll talk about the different types of gift cards, how to set up a gift card program, and how to market your gift cards. Once you have a gift card program in place, you need to market it to potential customers. There are many ways to market your gift cards, but some of the most effective methods include online marketing, social media, and print advertising. In this episode, we'll talk about how to create a marketing campaign that will reach your target audience and drive sales. The customer experience is key to the success of any gift card program. You want to make sure that your customers have a positive experience when they use your gift cards, from the moment they purchase them to the moment they redeem them. In this episode, we'll talk about how to provide excellent customer service and how to resolve any issues that may arise. Gift cards can be a great way to boost sales and promotions. You can use gift cards to reward customers for their loyalty, to drive traffic to your business during slow periods, and to promote new products. In this episode, we'll take a look at some case studies of businesses that have successfully used gift cards to grow their businesses. We'll learn about the strategies they used and the results they achieved. Thanks for watching Gift Card Strategies for Success. I hope you've learned some valuable tips that you can use to grow your business. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. We're here to help you succeed. Thank you for watching this video and taking the time to learn more about Jon Taffer's invaluable resources for restaurant and bar owners. To further enhance your skills and boost your business's success, I encourage you to click the link in the description below. By accessing Jon Taffer's Training University online course, you'll gain expert knowledge and techniques that can revolutionize your establishment.